Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Canon Rebel T7 is probably one of the most popular entry-level DSLR cameras on the market, and for good reason, offering a fantastic blend of user-friendliness, impressive image quality, and a versatile feature set that makes it an excellent choice for beginners looking to step up their photography game from smartphone snapshots to more creative and professional-looking shots, all without breaking the bank. Number 5. Altura Photo 58mm HD Wide-Angle Lens. Instantly expand your field of view with this incredible lens attachment. It easily screws onto your existing lens, opening up possibilities for breathtaking wide-angle photography. Discover a new level of detail with the detachable macro lens. It allows for extremely high-resolution close-ups, perfect for capturing the smallest subjects. This lens is designed to be compatible with a wide range of popular 58mm lens models from various brands, ensuring it fits seamlessly into your existing gear. When paired with a 58mm thread size lens, it's compatible with numerous camera models, including popular Canon Rebel series and EOS cameras. Before ordering, please verify your camera's lens thread size. This wide-angle lens is specifically designed for 58mm lenses, indicated by a O symbol followed by the number. What we like. Expand your creative horizons with this versatile lens attachment. It easily screws onto your existing lens, instantly widening your field of view for stunning landscapes. If you're looking to capture expansive scenes or get incredibly close for detailed shots, this is a fantastic addition. What people say. It's heavy. And I mean that in a good way. It's absolutely solid. Metal housing, quality glass on both the macro and wide-angle lenses, and a secure fit where they are threaded to each other, to the step-up ring, and to the camera. It comes with little extras that I had not been expecting, a rubber lens cover that press-fits securely to the front of the lens, and a vegan leather, PU, carry bag, both of which I will be using even though I didn't know I needed them. The product is made of metal and the build is very nice. It's very sturdy and durable. It do any feel cheap. The look of it does not match with its price. I paid $24.99 for this product and it looks more expensive than that. Number 4. Altura Photo AP305C Flash for Canon. Experience advanced wireless shooting with its built-in 2.4 GHz technology. Achieve multi-angle setups easily, as units don't need direct line of sight and can transmit up to 98.4 feet. Enjoy professional power in a package that's 30% lighter. This compact speedlight comes with a mini stand and a protective pouch for convenience. Adapt to any lighting situation with TTL, manual, and multi-modes. It offers the versatility to get the perfect flash exposure, even in challenging environments. With a guide number of 36 118 feet at ISO 100, it helps you achieve your desired lighting. It's perfect for DSLR, mirrorless, and off-camera photography. This speedlight is compatible with a wide range of Canon cameras. It's designed to work seamlessly with your Canon EOS system. What we like. Take your lighting game to the next level with this compact speedlight. Its advanced wireless functions allow for easy multi-angle setups without line-of-sight limitations. If you need portable, professional lighting for dynamic shoots and want to experiment with creative flash placements, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Works great with the Canon EOS RP. Puede hacer buenas fotos en un ambiente con baja iluminación. Great flash. Remote works perfectly. Number 3. Eeyrnduy LP-E10 battery and dual charger for Canon. Keep your compatible Canon cameras powered up and ready to go with this high-capacity battery and dual charger set. Never miss capturing those important moments again. Each rechargeable battery boasts 1,600 mAh, significantly extending your camera's running time. This means you can shoot more photos and videos on a single charge. Our advanced batteries feature the latest decoding for seamless communication with your camera, displaying real-time power. They also come with multi-circuit protection for ultimate safety and stability. The versatile dual charger features Type-C and micro USB inputs, allowing you to power up from any USB source like a laptop, car charger, or power bank. Its LCD screen clearly shows the charging status for both batteries. This set includes two 1600 mAh LP-E10 replacement batteries and a dual USB charger with a Type-C cable, providing everything you need for uninterrupted photography. Enjoy peace of mind with our 30-day refund policy and a 12-month product warranty. We are committed to providing excellent customer support for any issues you may encounter. What we like. Never miss a moment with this high-capacity battery and charger combo. These batteries provide significantly longer shooting times, and the dual charger lets you power up two at once. If you're tired of running out of power mid-shoot and need reliable, extended battery life for your camera, this is an essential upgrade. What people say. Work great in my camera and hold a charge a little better than factory battery. It's compatible with the Canon EOS Rebel T7. Works well, holds a charge better than the ones that came with the camera. The Eeyrnduy LP10 battery and dual charger is super convenient. Batteries hold a solid charge, fit perfectly in the camera, and the dual charger works efficiently with LED indicators. Number 2. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with 18 to 55 mm lens. Unleash your creativity with this powerful DSLR camera. Its advanced sensor captures breathtaking images with incredible clarity and vibrant colors. Share your masterpieces instantly with built-in Wi-Fi and NFC. Transfer photos and videos to your devices with ease, so your memories are always within reach. Experience lightning-fast autofocus and smooth operation thanks to its advanced image processor. It ensures sharp focus and brilliant Full HD videos every time. Frame your shots perfectly with the bright optical viewfinder. Enjoy a clear and accurate view of your subject, ensuring you never miss the perfect moment. Transform your camera into a high-quality webcam with the EOS utility software. Elevate your video calls and streaming with professional-grade video. Expand your creative possibilities with a wide range of compatible Canon EF lenses. Explore different perspectives and capture stunning images in any situation. What we like. Capture your world with clarity and share it instantly with this all-around DSLR. Its high-resolution sensor delivers stunning detail, and built-in Wi-Fi makes sharing your photos a breeze. If you're a beginner photographer looking for a user-friendly camera with great image quality and easy connectivity, this is an excellent starting point. What people say. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 is a great entry-level DSLR camera that is perfect for beginners. It has a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor that captures stunning images with excellent detail and clarity. The camera also features built-in Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity, allowing you to easily share your photos and videos to your smartphone or tablet. Number 1. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera 2 Lens Kit. Unleash your creativity with this powerful DSLR camera. Its 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor ensures every shot is incredibly detailed and vibrant. Never miss a moment with its improved dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection. The 9-point AF system with AI Servo AF provides quick and precise focusing. This kit includes two versatile lenses, an EF 18-55mm and an EF 75-300mm, perfect for capturing everything from wide landscapes to distant subjects. Share your masterpieces effortlessly with built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology. It's designed to work in temperatures from 32 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Record your memories in stunning Full HD 1080p video. You can even transform it into a high-quality webcam for your online needs. Frame your shots perfectly with the optical viewfinder, offering approximately 95% viewing coverage for a clear and accurate view. What we like. Get ready to shoot a variety of scenes right out of the box with this comprehensive kit. It includes a standard zoom and a telephoto zoom lens, offering great flexibility. If you are looking for a complete package that allows you to shoot everything from portraits to distant subjects without needing to buy extra lenses immediately, this kit is ideal. What people say. The camera delivers great photos, has been reliable, and she loves it. Excellent choice for students learning DSLR fundamentals. The kit lens is decent, with good zoom, color accuracy, and the entire package has a good overall size. It's easy to use, even for beginners, yet delivers sharp, high-quality photos that look professional. The camera feels solid in hand, and the controls are intuitive, making it simple to learn. Image quality is excellent in various lighting conditions, and the included kit lens is versatile enough for portraits, landscapes, and everyday shots. It also has built-in Wi-Fi, which makes transferring photos to a phone or computer quick and convenient. The 24.1 MP APS-C sensor captures sharp and vibrant images with great detail, even in low-light situations. The 18 to 55 mm lens is great for everyday shots, while the 75 to 300 mm lens offers solid zoom capabilities for wildlife, sports, and portrait photography. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC make it easy to transfer images to your phone or tablet for quick sharing. The camera is beginner-friendly, with automatic shooting modes and an easy-to-navigate menu. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.